We're here today to describe a little bit about an innovative program designed to protect Lake Sonoma. This happens to be the largest reservoir in the region that supplies drinking water to 600,000 people in this region. And unfortunately, right now, we're in the middle of a multi-year drought, and this lake level is the lowest it's ever been at this time of year. Couple that with the fact that there are fires raging in California right now as a result of climate change. It was that last year we were on that side of the lake where 1,000 acres burned in the Walbridge fire. John and Josh are going to talk a little bit more about what we've done in response to that to deliver on our promise to protect this watershed and make it more fire resilient.
These efforts are needed to improve access for fire suppression and be able to do vegetation maintenance control within the Lake Sonoma watershed. So we met with Corps of Engineers and CAL FIRE staff to identify high-profile projects. Our initial efforts for this year were to regrade a access road and do vegetation maintenance along there. So we completed that project. It took 3 to 4 weeks. We've also partnered with Conservation Corps North Bay to do vegetation maintenance in high public access areas, including trailheads, campgrounds, things like that. And then we'll be following that up with future coordination with CAL FIRE and the Corps to identify future high priority projects. And I anticipate these are going to include grazing, trail regrading, and additional fire fuel reduction.
You know, after the 2020 Walbridge fire, where we had over 1,000 acres of our watershed burn, we decided that we really needed to take a proactive approach and manage the resources as best we can. So as part of a federal agency like the Corps of Engineers, it's part of our responsibility to have partners with state and local stakeholders. So we're thankful that Sonoma Water was able to bring resources to the table. We were able to improve 5 miles of fire line just on the north end of the lake, which could hopefully never serve as a fire break for the town of Cloverdale. By providing these fire breaks and opening up these roadways for emergency personnel to get into, we're trying to do our due diligence as a federal entity, partnering with our locals. So I'm looking forward in the future to being able to do more projects like this and manage the resources as best we can and as safely as we can.
Josh and John, thank you very much for your efforts up here and for describing for the viewers what it is that we're doing up at Lake Sonoma and what the future may look like with a coordinated effort. If you want more information about this program and others, visit sonomawater.org for more information.